The candlestick charts made it pretty clear that over the last few trading days, the market was starting to get very indecisive, about the same level it topped out before. We've seen the pullback, so we've had 4 or 5 indecisive trading days. Today's trading, although very or slightly positive, was still very indecisive, another doji day. So there's still one simple parameter that we can use. As long as we're trading above the T-line, we're still in an uptrend. However, we also have to be aware that there's lots of indecisive trading going on up here. If we see one big down blast, that's telling us more than likely they're coming back to test the 200-day moving average. Expect some more selling. Now, we can analyze a chart much more easily of what might happen based upon the trading. Obviously, a positive open tomorrow would tell us that this uptrend is in progress because of the simple doji rule, that we're moving in the direction of how they open after a doji, telling us they aren't closing below the T-line. And on the other side of the coin, if it opens lower, telling us they might be pulling back, doing the basic rule that we know about a resistance level, that usually every resistance level they come back and test it to see if it's going to act as support. And the other indicators that usually have been influencing the market trend, such as crude oil, also is in kind of a very sideways, slow, indecisive trading nature. So this makes you realize, or should make you realize, that this market has no great incentive to move one way or the other at this point. That also can be witnessed in the gold chart, where gold is just slowly drifting back, more than likely waiting for the 50-day moving average to catch up. So not only does the candlestick charts tell us what direction things are moving, but it can tell you what the nature of that direction is. In this case, lots of little dojis showing up. Very indecisive trading, nothing major on any given day. And the fortunate part of candlestick analysis is we know what to expect based upon each individual chart pattern, such as our best friend signal with a doji gap up, as we saw in ALDR, which had announced that their phase 2 tests for resolving migraine headaches worked fairly well. So we know what to expect after this type of signal, at least a strong 45-degree in this direction. So using candlestick analysis allows us to see what usually happens as far as human nature, because the patterns that we're looking at today are based upon the patterns that have been developed over 300, 400 years. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.